nghiệp xưa ngày nay dương nông miền event muối đại chạy tầm lấy chạy tồn từ năng kịch càng như Security Operation Center hay được nôngประเทศบอดบกnhómที่มันใจตำเลยจำปีการกรุบกรองพันธุ์ไผ่จะเลือกปฏิบัติการกรุบกรองสวัสดิภาพ Cybersecurity Operation.
I'm Mushtaq from Millennium IT. We have partnered with Technovage Solutions to provide state-of-the-art next-generation SOC services to the Cambodian market. And this event, which we have organized today, is to explore and experience, show the experience which we have gone through with setting up next-generation security operation centers.
And enjoy the session. It's quite comprehensive and discussion in terms of security operation.
សួស្តីបាទខ្ញុំរីករាយណាស់ដែលបានមកចូលរួមក្នុងកម្មវិធីបញ្ជ្រាបការយល់ដឹងទាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង Cyber Security
ខ្ញុំបានជួយ event នេះគឺបានទទួលចំណេះដឹងបានច្រើនមែនទែនពួកអីពេលខ្លះទៅយើងនៅកន្លែងធ្វើការយើងមានចំណេះដឹងមួយផ្នែកប៉ុន្តែដល់ពេលយើងបានជួយ event បែបហ្នឹងគឺល្អមែនទែនដោយសារយើងបានជួបអ្នកដែលគាត់មានជំនាញ